Hi, Roger Connect with Universal Accounting Center along with Scott McKinley.
Hi.
We're excited to actually speak to you today about introductions. Now, just to be clear on this, there is a difference between a presentation, an introduction presentation, and a 30-second commercial. So let me start with that, Scott. What is an introduction presentation?
An introductory presentation is you're at a function. You're talking to somebody.
Okay.
You've maybe given them a little bit of your 30-second commercial, or they've heard it when you were at BNI, and now we're at a mixer, and I want to walk away from here with something tangible.
So this is a presentation, a dialogue. You're going to now speak, interact with this business owner, and it's a presentation of your services in essence.
Yeah, it's a very simplified version of it where what I'm trying to do is pique your interest in my services. Now the first way that you do it is not to walk up and just start talking to you about your business.
Yeah, and the other thing to be clear is this is not the presentation to get the sell. This is an introductory presentation for what purpose? What are you trying to get out of this?
To get an appointment.
Okay.
We've had students in the past who have gone to networking, they've gone to chamber functions, and they call me up and they say, Scott, I'm going, and I'm saying my 30-second commercial, but I'm not getting anything from it. I don't have any clients because of networking.
They're leaving with business cards, but not appointments.
Exactly. So we developed this introductory presentation for the sole purpose of getting appointments.
Perfect. So obviously this is a little bit more interactive and it's lengthier than maybe a 30-second commercial, but it's to get the appointment. It's not asking for the sale, it's not asking for money, signing a contract. So can you give us an example of an introductory presentation?
Sure. It's a conversation with a purpose is what I like to refer to it as. So
excellent.
If you and I were at a networking group, the first thing that you want to do is start talking to the people around you, and you don't start talking about yourself first, like I said earlier. You want to talk to them about what they do. Start talking to a business owner about what they do, and then they're going to be more inclined to turn and ask you about what you do.
So everybody likes to talk about themselves.
Exactly.
So let's not talk about us. Let's get them comfortable in talking about what they like to do.
So starting the conversation off with something like, so Roger, what brings you to the networking group today? What's your business? Get that conversation going. They're going to want to talk about it. After they've done that and they transition to you, instead of saying, well, I'm a profit and growth expert, go back to the resonating questions. I gave some examples earlier in one of the videos in my 30-second commercial.
Yeah, that's right.
Pull up on those resonating questions and say, maybe to better tell you about what I do, let me ask you a couple questions.
Okay.
Have you ever felt that you had to pay more in taxes for your business than you wanted to?
Oh yeah, I always feel that way.
Okay.
I respect the fact that I have to pay taxes, but the less the better for me.
Okay, that's very common. I hear that a lot from business owners. Have you ever needed to write a check for your business, but you didn't know if you had the money in the account to cover the check?
Yes, or I've checked and there is no money in the account to write the check. So
and that's another thing. So profitability, do you feel that you're where you should be profitability-wise?
No, I think my competitors are doing better than me, or I feel I can make a little bit more, but I'm hesitant to ask for more, yeah.
Okay, that's what I do. I work with business owners like you, and I help them to lower their taxes legally. A variety of different things that we can do. I help them to increase their profits so they can feel that they are growing and that they're profitable where they want to be. And I help them control that cash flow. So if you do need to write a check, you'll know that you can write that check because it's been accurately updated. There's a variety of different things that I can do for businesses.
Okay.
Usually, with most businesses, I can get their financials in order within 7 to 14 days. With most businesses, I can help them to lower their costs by 10% within 60 days. Any of that interest in you at all?
So far, yeah.
Okay, all right.
Particularly the lowering the cost. I'm assuming that's going to translate into improved profits. So
Exactly,
yes.
exactly. The thing is, I just met you. We just started talking about your business. I don't know how I could help you, but I'm pretty sure that there's something I could do. If you would like, I would be willing to give you 30, 45 minutes of my time, come by your place, sit down and take a look at what you've got going with your accounting right now and see what recommendations we can make to make sure that you can be more profitable and maybe get those taxes lowered. Would you have some time available next week, maybe Wednesday or Thursday?
Excellent. Now notice, he's giving me a choice of not can we meet, yes or no. It's when can we meet, Wednesday or Thursday. that is an excellent example. Obviously, you're very clear and focused on what it is you do and how they can benefit.
Right.
And then you were very specific on what the objective is. Let's set an appointment. Let's meet. Let me come to understand your business more so that I can give you some specific advice. I love that. Let me ask, well, actually, let me do this. Let me offer one bit of advice or suggestion here. One thing that's helpful when you're speaking to another business owner is always understand that it's good to ask them what they're looking for. What's an ideal client? What's an ideal business relationship? What type of services are you offering? Who would be perfect for you as a customer? And the reason why I say that is because oftentimes in a discussion, they'll turn around and then ask you the exact same question. Why? Because you've asked it, it's on their mind, and just the way the conversation will go is they'll ask you what you've asked them. So it's a great way to lead the conversation. Ask them what in reality you want them to ask you. So just an idea or a suggestion there. Is there anything more you'd like to add to this?
It's a conversation. It is a conversation. The introductory presentation is the outline for the way that it should flow. Don't feel that it's a script. Don't try and memorize it.
Yeah.
Just know that there are principles that you want to cover in each one. If you've got questions, call your coach. Call and speak to your coach. Utilize the assistance that Universal is providing. If your coaching is expired, call up. We can get you into more coaching. So that's why we're here.
Yep. These are peers. You're a business owner, they're a business owner. Have an intelligent conversation. You can feel confident with your abilities to service them and take care of their needs. So let me just end on this. We're appreciative of your being here. Have a great day. And again, if it's about accounting, it is Universal.
And accounting success is universal as well. Thanks, everybody.
Have a great day.
Bye.